What about that game last night?
Ridiculous. I could barely watch it.
So why did you?
The discussions about Joe Smith were pretty interesting. Do you think he'll get traded?
Not a chance. It's not going to happen.
Hey, I saw plans for a new building expansion this morning, and wow.
Yeah, I just hope there's room to expand my department. It would be nice if I could get fully staffed.
After the money we're spending on this, not sure if that'll happen. But we'll all have a lot more room. No more working like sardines. Just 4 months away. I can hardly believe how fast this is going to happen.
Is that what we're here to discuss, the expansion?
No, we're here to talk about my meeting yesterday. I was in this meeting yesterday with the senior leadership team. The new VP of marketing was there. Have you met Charlie yet? He looks like a really nice guy. Pretty sure Shirley approves. I've heard some things.
Is there something about Charlie you wanted to tell us? Is that why we're meeting?
No, not Charlie. I wanted to talk about how the CFO was questioning me about our invoicing.
What about our invoicing?
They're all messed up. We have a major breakdown somewhere.
Can't be true.
What are you talking about?
All I know is I looked pretty foolish in the meeting yesterday in front of everyone, having no idea there was any kind of problem. Here's what I want you to do. Go down to the call center and see Julian about these incorrect invoices and find out what really happened. Or you can talk to Fred in IT.
What would Fred have to do with it?
Look, I need answers and I need them fast. I need to get back to the CFO and tell him I found the source of the trouble and that we're taking action.